In 2022, you can expect even more money for climate spending from the federal government and from private companies. Diana Olick is looking at the climate playbook for 2022. Diana?
Yeah, Kelly, the business of climate in 2022 will depend largely, in the U.S. at least, on the fate of President Biden's $1.75 trillion Build Back Better plan, which was recently torpedoed, of course, by Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia, who has ties to the coal industry there. Roughly $555 billion of it was earmarked to help shift the U.S. from fossil fuels to clean energy production. That included tax incentives for producers and consumers of wind, solar, and nuclear power. There was also a $12,500 tax credit for buyers of electric vehicles, about $12 billion aimed at making buildings more energy efficient, and more for research on clean technology, like pulling carbon dioxide out of the air. Now, parts of this could be passed outside of the full bill, but all that spending hangs in the balance. Meanwhile, venture capital is spending big time on clean tech, and that will increase in 2022. In the first half of 2021, there was record investment of $60 billion, a 210% increase from the previous 12 months. Climate tech now accounts for 14 cents of every venture capital dollar, according to PwC, and the average deal size, Kelly, has nearly quadrupled.
Wow. And at the same time, we didn't see good performance in solar or a lot of the clean tech names this year. So what are some of the risks for next year?
Well, so one red flag to watch, of course, supply chain issues, as with everywhere else, and rising costs for materials, especially in the solar industry. That's causing solar panel prices to rise for the first time in years. In fact, the Solar Energy Industries Association just announced its solar installation forecast. They reduced it by 25% because of that. And then there's a looming shortage of lithium, cobalt, and nickel for EV batteries, and those could have far-reaching implications, especially in the newer transition to electric for trucks. Kelly?
All right, Diana, thanks.